How to write a gig title and description that attracts buyer. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Become a Seller from the drop-down menu if you haven't already set up your seller profile. Once your seller profile is ready, go to the seller dashboard, click on Create a new gig. The first step is your gig title. Make it clear, concise, and specific. Your title should tell buyers exactly what service you offer in a few words. Avoid vague titles like I will do anything, and instead use something like I will do professional voiceover for YouTube. Use keywords that buyers are likely to search for so your gig shows up in search results. Next, focus on your gig description. Start with a strong opening sentence that grabs attention and clearly explains what you provide. Then describe your services in details, including what buyers will receive, how long it will take, and why you are the best choice. Make it easy to read by using short paragraphs, bullet points, and clear formatting. Include keywords naturally throughout your description to improve visibility. You can also add call to action like order now to get started to encourage buyers to take action. Finally, double-check your spelling and grammar as a professional description builds trust and increases your chances of getting orders. Now you know how to write a gig title and description that attracts buyer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.